from £7,845. We're familiar with the Sandero, it's the cheap fuel that really intrigues us. We've sourced a dual-fuel Dacia to determine whether running a car on LPG is practical in Britain. Why we're running it: UK doesn't get new cars with factory-fit LPG tanks. So we are using a dual-fuel Sandero to find out what are we missing? Life with a Sandero Stepway LPG, Month 4. Why is buying an LPG car a challenge? Dacia November 22, 2017. Two main reasons are typically given for it not being offered. First, the LPG-powered cars are not produced in right-hand drive, and second, that LPG is no longer protected from the fuel duty escalator, meaning it is exposed to the same rises in taxation as petrol and diesel. Mileage, 2,260. Life with a Sandero Stepway LPG, Month 3. A retro ghetto blaster in disguise? Dacia November 1, 2017. I have developed a quaint affection for the Stepway stereo system. Sophisticated it isn't, but the mix of rudimentary speakers and a hollow plastic dash combine to produce a huge, unprocessed ghetto blaster sound quality that brings back happy memories of cheap, 1990s-era hatchbacks. It's all part of the parsimonious appeal of having a cheap, LPG-powered runaround. Mileage, 1710. Counting the miles as well as the pennies, October 11, 2017. Nick Hackett, former autocar road tester and now editor of our sister title Piston Heads, check it out at pistonheads.com, went one further and broke the seal on the hallowed tank of petrol, not used since the Sandero LPG arrived. She's right on that, but the office consensus on the available range from a tank of LPG is around 200–250 miles, depending on how brave you're feeling when the red light on the little tank indicator comes on. Mileage, 1,592. Life with a Sandero Stepway LPG, Month 2. Counting the miles as well as the pennies, September 6, 2017. The economy in an LPG car is always worse, due to the fuel having a lower calorific value, but given that petrol has averaged around 1.15 per liter over the same period, the fuel cost of $54.35 to travel the same distance in a petrol Sandero leaves you an extra $20 out of pocket. Maybe my struggle was because, being a model intended to be sold to Dutch buyers, our Sandero Stepway's fuel tank needs an adapter screwed over the inlet so it can be filled up using UK spec LPG pumps. Mileage, 1,399. Life with a Sandero Stepway LPG, Month 1. Welcoming the LPG Sandero to our fleet, August 2, 2017. Unlike on the continent, no cars with a factory-fitted LPG tank are sold here, meaning a conversion is the only way to go if you want to drive on the cheapest fuel available on UK forecourts. Our car has the same 50-liter petrol tank as Sandero sold over here and will happily run on petrol all day as normal, but in addition has an LPG tank. Dacia Sandero Stepway LPG specification. Specs: price new £13,490, price as tested £13,490, options none. Test data: engine 898cc, turbocharged petrol, power 89 bhp, torque 103 pounds-foot, top speed 104 miles per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour 11.1 seconds, claimed fuel economy 55.4 miles per gallon, test fuel economy 35.1 miles per gallon, CO2 115 grams/km, fault stuck adapter, fixed, expenses none.